A very good morning, students. Yesterday in chapter number 1 we have covered two topics, the earth's surface and the atmosphere. Today we will be studying about the movements of the earth. We have mainly two movements of the earth. Here you can say the earth has mainly two movements. First is rotation and the second is revolution. It may seem or we may think sometimes that the earth is still and always stays in one place like all other planets, but it is not at all true. The earth is always moving. It spins round and round like a top on its imaginary line, and that imaginary line called axis. You can see in this diagram, this is the imaginary line and this imaginary line is known as axis. This movement of the earth is known as rotation. Whereas the earth also revolves or moves around the sun at the very same time, this movement is called revolution. So rotation is a movement of a object on its own axis, whereas revolution is completely round trip around something. Now, rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. Now you will ask me how rotation causes day and night. That I will teach you with the help of an example. Before that, let's study this. The earth rotates from west to east. As we all know, we have mainly four directions, that is north at the top, south at the bottom, east on the right side, left side is west. And do you know the earth takes full 1 day or 24 hours time to complete its one rotation, that is to spin around its own axis once. During rotation, the part of the earth that faces the sun, receives light and has day, and the part which is away from the sun receives darkness and has night. As the earth spins, the lightened part slowly starts moving away from the sun and becomes dark, while the dark part moves toward the sun and receives light.